Hello everybody and welcome to today's video from Acorn and Oak. Today we're going to do a vintage retro looking tree in a cup. Now this is nothing new, these have been around for a long time. It's that I wanted to do some because I needed some for to go around the shelving area around my family tree. I've got two cups that I got from charity shops. This one I got earlier this year, and this one I got a few years ago. And I've got two bottle brush trees, one large one, and this one measures approximately 17.5 inches, and the smaller one without its base measures 10 inches. Now they were just on some wooden bases, so I've just taken them off. I'm going to use some Oasis to put inside the cups. I've done the first one and I literally just put my cup over the Oasis and I push down, and that has gone in there nice and secure. But this cup is slightly bigger, I think, so I'm going to try and do the same thing. Push it in. There we go. That's fine. And I've got a second one. Yeah, these are a pack of 3, I think they were, and I got them from, I believe it was Hobbycraft. I'm going to do the same thing. Okay, and you see where it stops. I am now going to cut that off. Okay, let's just clear up this mess slightly. Okay, I've got a set of baubles from B&M, and they were £3 for the pack. I don't have the packaging, but I do have a photo of it, so I'll insert the photo here. Okay, so what we're going to do, I've got some lights as well. I've only got one strand of these, but I will get another one because I want them both to be illuminated, and I got these on Amazon. So let me just clean up this Santa mug. Got all the Oasis around the top. Okay, and let's put some glue on our stake here, so to speak. We're going to stake him in as middle as we can get him. So he looks like that. Let me just move these lights out of the way. And we're going to do the same thing with the smaller one. Okay. I'm going to use these baubles. I may not use these baubles on the smaller tree, or at least not. I may put some in further down, but not up the top here. But I don't want to use this bit here, so I'm going to take those off. So I'm going to take some of these tops off. I'm going to get 2 of each colour, I think, just to start off with for the big tree. All the colours. That would be green. I am going to put the lights on this larger one before I put these baubles in, so I'll bring over that strand of lights. Okay, so I may well end up cutting this so it's not overly long. and I'm going to start from the back and have the control at the back, and I'm just going to turn the tree and wind these lights on. In fact, it'd probably be easier if I just wind the lights around. And these are an amber glow light. I would have preferred like multicoloured, because multicoloured was what I had as a child, in the 70s and 80s and 90s. Right, I'm going to cut these off just after this last one, because I don't need them. And I'm just going to twist this wire back on itself, just to neaten it up, and so I don't hurt anyone. Okay, that's that done. Now let's start to glue these lights in. Now this is probably going to be slightly difficult, but we will try our best. In fact, I might put a bit of glue on the back of this chap here, just to secure the light strand, just so it doesn't keep flapping around, just to secure it on the back there. Okay, now let's put some glue on these. And start poking these in. we go, all done. You don't really see the oasis, but I will put some white snow blanket there. I need to find some smaller ornaments for this tree here. But there we go. I'll just turn off the light. Thank you for joining me, and you'll see me again soon. Take care now. Hello everybody, welcome to Create at Home with G. No, that's not right. That's not right. 3, 2, 1.